another tutorial. In today's video, I will be talking to you a little bit about our app called Share Locker. Okay, for you to access this app, all you have to do is over here in your office, you're gonna go ahead and click on apps. I apologize as this is in Portuguese in the moment, and you're gonna go down here to Share Locker. Once you click over here, it's gonna bring you right to this page. Okay, so over here in this page, the first thing they're gonna ask you to put information of your Share Locker is the title. So we're gonna go ahead over here and write to have access, please like and share. Okay, so we're gonna choose this example over here. We're gonna go ahead here, guys, and in the like the page and share the page space box, we're gonna go ahead and extract the link from the Facebook page that we want to use and paste it in both places. Okay, over here, guys, in the bottom you have the option to make your clients either like the page, share the page, or both in order to gain access to your website. Okay, so I'm gonna leave both of them on right now, and over here you can choose the images in which you want to integrate into your Share Locker. Okay, so this is the image your clients will be seeing upon trying to access your website. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate and save. And over here, guys, a code is gonna be at our disposal. Okay, and we will need this code to integrate it into our website, so we have this Share Locker. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead over here and copy this code and jump right into the editor. Okay, so this is the website I will be using my Share Locker in. All we have to do is go over here, okay, and right over here, and in the home page, in the home section, you're gonna want to configure, go all the way down, and in page head scripts, you're gonna paste the whole code. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna save. You're gonna want to save again, and now the Share Locker should be integrated into our website. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out our live website. Okay, so it is already published. Click on it, and as you can see, our Share Locker pops up over here. So in case I want to access my website, I will have to share, okay, this the Facebook page that I chose. Okay, so in this case it's the Facebook support page. So I'm gonna go ahead and click share. It's gonna bring to me inside the Facebook, so I can go ahead and share this. Okay, so let's go ahead and say I post this to Facebook, and now I should have access to my website. Okay, guys, pretty simple and fun to use. It's an app that, you know, gives a little bit extra to your website, and let's say it's something of value like an ebook or anything like that that you want to sell, and you want kind of a restricted access to your website. This is a really fun and cool app that you can use to optimize your website in this way. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.